In today's video, we're going to be talking about pre- and post-workout stretching techniques to prevent injury. Stretching is an important part of any exercise routine, as it helps to improve flexibility, prevent injury, and aid in recovery. So if you're looking to optimize your workout routine and prevent injury, this video is for you. Pre-workout stretching. Before starting any exercise, it's important to warm up properly and stretch to prepare your muscles for the workout ahead. Here are some pre-workout stretching techniques to consider. Dynamic stretching. Dynamic stretching involves moving your muscles through a range of motion to warm up and activate them. This can include exercises such as leg swings, walking lunges, and arm circles. Foam rolling. Foam rolling can help to release muscle tension and improve flexibility before a workout. Focus on rolling out the major muscle groups, such as your quads, hamstrings, and back. Hold and release stretching. This involves holding a stretch for a few seconds, then releasing and repeating. This can help to improve range of motion and prepare your muscles for exercise. Post-workout stretching. After a workout, it's important to cool down and stretch to aid in recovery and prevent injury. Here are some post-workout stretching techniques to consider. Static stretching. Static stretching involves holding a stretch for 15 to 30 seconds to improve flexibility and prevent muscle tightness. Focus on stretching the major muscle groups, such as your hamstrings, quads, and calves. Foam rolling. Foam rolling can also be used after a workout to aid in recovery and prevent muscle soreness. Focus on the major muscle groups and use gentle pressure. Yoga. Yoga is a great way to improve flexibility, reduce stress, and aid in recovery after a workout. Try incorporating a few yoga poses into your post-workout routine, such as downward dog, pigeon pose, and child's pose. Tips for success. To get the most out of your stretching routine and prevent injury, here are some tips to consider. Focus on major muscle groups. When stretching, focus on the major muscle groups in your body, such as your quads, hamstrings, and back. Breathe deeply. Remember to breathe deeply and rhythmically during stretching to help relax your muscles and improve flexibility. Don't overdo it. Avoid stretching to the point of pain or discomfort. Stretching should feel slightly uncomfortable but not painful. Be consistent. Stretching should be done regularly to improve flexibility and prevent injury. Aim to stretch at least 3 times a week, if not more. Specific stretches for different exercises. Different types of exercises can benefit from specific stretching techniques. Here are some examples. Running. Running involves a lot of repetitive motion, so it's important to stretch the major muscle groups in your legs, such as your quads, hamstrings, and calves. Try lunges, heel raises, and quad stretches. Weightlifting. Weightlifting can cause muscle tightness and soreness, so it's important to stretch the major muscle groups you'll be using during your workout, such as your chest, back, and legs. Try shoulder stretches, chest stretches, and hamstring stretches. Cycling. Cycling can cause tightness in your hip flexors, so it's important to stretch these muscles before and after your workout. Try hip flexor stretches, lunges, and quad stretches. Stretching for injury prevention. Stretching can also help to prevent injuries by improving flexibility and range of motion. Here are some tips for using stretching to prevent injuries. Focus on problem areas. If you have areas of your body that are prone to injury, such as your lower back or knees, focus on stretching these areas regularly to improve flexibility and prevent injury. Gradually increase intensity. When stretching, it's important to gradually increase the intensity over time to avoid injury. Don't push yourself too hard too soon. Stretch after injury. If you've experienced an injury, stretching can help aid in recovery and prevent future injuries by improving flexibility and range of motion. In conclusion, pre- and post-workout stretching is an important part of any exercise routine to prevent injury and improve flexibility. Focus on major muscle groups, use specific stretches for different types of exercises, and use stretching to prevent injuries. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you optimize your workout routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness and health content.